Hi, the inspiration for today's dish, Gambas de Alho, garlic shrimp, came from when I was visiting Vila Nova de Gaia. It's on the southern side of the Douro River, directly across from Porto, and that's where you have all the wine houses like Sandman, Ferreira, and we did some wine tasting there at Ferreira. And after wine tasting, we went for lunch at a restaurant right next to the wine houses called Sancho Panza. From the interior or exterior, you just get the most fabulous views of Porto and all the old ships they used to transport the wine up and down the Douro River. And the food was delicious. I had the shrimp there. I saw this dish in northern Portugal, but you see it throughout Portugal. Obviously, garlic shrimp is very popular. Some key things to Portugal's garlic shrimp is the addition of piri-piri sauce, a hot pepper sauce similar kind of to a Tabasco, garlic obviously, flat leaf parsley, and salt. First thing I like to do is dry the shrimp with a paper towel and then salt it with it, but at least like 10 minutes. Gives it time for the salt not just to be on the outside, but to penetrate into the shrimp. I already got my hot plates going. This pan's hot. The other thing that's key is some extra virgin olive oil from Portugal. Extra virgin is the first press, so it has the most flavor. So I put a generous amount there. Good monounsaturated fat. You can see it's smoking, so that's already hot. That's what you want. Usually you always want your pan brought up to full temperature before introducing protein because it'll drop in temperature. Put our shrimp in there. I like to give the shrimp about a 1 minute head start cooking, then I'll add in the garlic. I just don't want to add the garlic right away at the beginning because garlic tends to want to brown up and burn quicker than shrimp would want to burn. Now I will add my garlic. For this dish, I'm going to use 3 dentes, 3 teeth of garlic, and a little bit of flat leaf Italian parsley. You can see the garlic starts to brown up immediately. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera. So turn the heat down a little bit. Now I'm going to put in our fresh parsley. I'm going to put some in the beginning and some in at the end. Just the aroma from that is so intense. Can't wait to dig in. And this could be done as an appetizer or as a main meal served with rice or potatoes. Now some piri-piri hot pepper sauce. It's believed that the Portuguese brought over the piri-piri pepper from Mozambique. I truly believe the Portuguese were the first fusion chefs in the world. They just brought ingredients, spices from all over the world, from India, from South America. And that's about it. It's always best to undercook fish than to overcook it. So there's nothing wrong with cutting in, have one sacrifice that's for you to eat. But if I cut into this shrimp, it's probably only been, 3 minutes. And that shrimp is done. So we are ready to serve. See how beautiful that looks? If you're a big fan of seafood, check out the famous dish from southern Portugal, cataplana. Now with this dish, you want to make sure you get all this delicious olive oil and browned up garlic off of the pan and onto the plate. Thanks for joining me. If you can't go to Portugal, bring Portugal to you with some fine home Portuguese cooking. Now go cook this for someone you love.